Yep.
Mom.
Just set him down.
Buddy,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Okay. Let's see. It's Nemo. Open that way.
Yeah, I'm open on it.
This side, Mom.
Yep, just rip it up.
What? It's Mom.
Sam, do you want me to help you open it?
Yeah.
Okay, back up a little bit.
Bless you.
Something fell. Alright, Sam, come here. Look through there.
It's a box.
To open up.
Yeah. Look through it. Look through it. Yeah, now you take your finger and make this thing go to the next. Yeah. Yeah, now look in it. Look in it. Hold it up to the, hold it up. There you go.
Do you need a little help? Oh, you got it.
That's neat, huh? And look, Sam, there's even more pictures in here that we use. We use these pictures in there too.
Here, babe.
There's pictures in
Let's
there. Just
ask
keep looking.
Daddy to help.
Keep looking.
Daddy.
This one is from Grandma Lynn.
Ooh, look at these.
Oh, how cute.
Yeah, there are.
Oh, we gotta tell Grandma Lynn thank you.
Thank
Those are
you,
just
Grandma
pictures for us.
Lynn.
Okay, look, Sam. There. Sam,
Very sweet.
Look.
Okay, you still got more stuff over there.
it comes out. And you put another one in.
I want to put these
Don't touch it.
on now.
And you put another one in with Nemo faces out. See?
Shoot.
Are you recording this?
Shoot.
Okay. Okay, oh,
You still got more presents, sweetheart.
Go. Here you go. Now look through.
Mom.
Sam.
See him? Right there? By your sparkly dress?
Oh. Yeah. My. Oh, yeah. I
Boy.
found it.
Sit up. Put those sunglasses
Look at
first.
these.
Thank you.
Princess to be in. What those
They're right here, buddy. You want to keep opening? Here, I'll hold it while you keep opening your presents.
Ah,
Well, why don't you sit down?
sorry. I want to be down again.
Celia, scooch over, honey. Scooch over that way. So I can see everybody. Yeah. Thank you.
Did you know this was 3D?
Mm-hmm.
It's funny that no, this isn't real. We don't. Sam won't want that broken already. Okay. Yeah.
Now I need my birthday hat, Dad.
You gotta open your presents up, sweetie.
You're good. Yeah, open up. Your birthday hat's right here.
I need this birthday hat.
Come on, guys, rip them up.
Oh.
Open them.
Now open it. Open it.
You don't even know what it is.
Tennis.
That's for you and for Celia to play with. It's called Play-Doh.
Play-Doh?
Yeah, you guys can make shapes and stuff out of it.
I like it, Dad.
Open your present.